Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center a text box in a shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu. Now we want to make a text box in shape. At first select the shape option and draw any shape. Now I am select the rounded rectangle. Then draw the rectangle to this page. Then go back again the insert menu and select the text box. Then draw a text box. Then write anything. Click inside the text box and write anything. Now we want to make the text box into this shape center. Select the multiple object, press and hold the shift on our keyboard and go to the shape format menu. Select the alignment option and choose align center. Again select this option and choose align middle. Now we can see we center a text box in shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.